Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Butterfly Book Club. Make sure you like and subscribe. Today we are reading One More Jar of Jam, written by Michelle Sumovich and illustrated by Gracie Zhang. If you ever have a mulberry tree, you'll learn there's nowhere sweeter to sit than on branches heavy with warm berries. And draped with sparkly bulbs and beads to warn the birds, "No, this fruit is for me." But they always snatch a few, just a few, every now and then. If you ever have a mulberry tree, you'll climb bending branches and shake with all your might, until swollen fruit falls corner to corner on an old sheet freckled with berry juice. You'll gather, wash, and smush while your dad boils jars in a tall silver pot, sweating and happy as the kitchen fills with steam. If you ever have a mulberry tree, you'll count 21, 22, 23 jars. How many are missing? Gone to sticky grandma's table, gone to sweeten neighbor's bread, and you'll suppose that you can share just a few, only a few. If you ever have a mulberry tree, you'll lie awake as wicked winds rage through your town, and the constant thunder rumbles so loud and close you can barely hear the far-off coyote howl, and you'll wonder if the berries will hang on for one more jar of jam. If you ever have a mulberry tree, you'll cry when, thunk! You'll wake to find its thick trunk stretched across the lawn, broken and cracked and done, and the stellar jays like vultures picking at the remains, fallen bulbs no longer dancing them afraid. If you ever have a mulberry tree, you'll slump when it's a stump, because the summer is fruitless and dry as toast. The fall's too stale, and the birds won't stay for breadcrumbs. The winter's too deep, and Grandma can't sweeten your day. But when the snow melts, you'll see an old friend, and you'll want to say hello. If you ever have a mulberry tree, you'll gather those who miss it most, and celebrate things that can no longer celebrate themselves. You'll bring flowers and a little cake. You'll count the rings. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. And you'll mark the spot when you were born, just 7 wiggly lines away from the edge. If you ever have a mulberry tree, you might love it now more than ever, now that you know it's enough just to grow. If you ever have a mulberry tree, you'll gasp when suddenly silent, shiny leaves burst from stems to shoots to branches. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. And you'll run to tell your family, and you'll promise all your neighbors, and you'll dance and shout and wait for one more jar of jam. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like and subscribe. Check out our other videos at the Butterfly Book Club on youtube.com, and also click the link in our bio to check out our website that has free learning materials that go along with all of our book read-alouds. Again, please make sure you subscribe.